Good morning everyone, pink and orange room, 6:30 in the morning, just getting brighter here. Sleep was so, you can see that with my puffy eyes. If you get even 4 hours, 5 hours good sleep, it's sorted. Currently it's dark. See, I'm already packed, just have to wear my jacket. मैं सरदार जी लग रहा हूँ ना थोड़ा इसमें. ऐसा कुछ शॉट होता है ना vloggers का. And behind my t-shirt it says KTM rides. What is the biggest advantage? Today's ride in the history, jumping into jetties. 3 ferries. Yes, we will be taking 3 ferries back to back to reach certain locations, and it's going to be crazy fun. So watch the vlog and then let's have breakfast. This will go on my bike, so just taking this bag. Good morning from Harihareshwar. Now I feel a little fresh. वैसे ब्रेकफास्ट खाया नहीं है, चाय पीनी है, सब बाकी है. एवरीथिंग इज पेंडिंग. Sorry about the audio. Worried it might rain, and we have no rain liners. By the way, this place had a swimming pool. Sun is just about to rise. The best part is the sun rises from there and sets right there. So we have both the views here. By the way, this place has gym, carom, table tennis. We were playing here. 207. Hey Mukund.
Hey, how are you?
Excited for today's ride?
Yes, definitely.
We just got a bit of brief. Can't believe where we're going. So watch the vlog.
Based on the preview yesterday, I think Ganpati Pule trip will rock along the sea.
Konkan is going crazy, right?
सबको मारना है.
Okay, so my bike just got lubed. You know, honestly, if these mechanics or medic team are not with us for the ride, it's very challenging, especially if you're doing such unseen places. I mean, this route, I don't know if I've seen someone taking. This route is insane. Yesterday I was mesmerized, but that's the mechanic working with us from 6 in the morning, all change lube. So a big shout out to all the mechanics who work so hard so that we can ride more. About to fly the drone actually, but then these guys were like, let's go, we have to catch the ferry. So here's the lineup. I think now all the riders have been arrived. What's up, man?
What's up?
All good?
Yep, what a view.
Yeah, we stopped at a good place. Hey, enjoying?
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. How are you, Chief? All good?
All good, yes.
Yes.
Very good.
I think I should start calling you Professor. The best thing. You get that often, right? By the way, he's a professor in IIT. And, so your good name?
Ashutosh.
Yeah. So Ashutosh is teaching engineering, mechanical engineering, right?
Material
No,
science.
material science. Yeah. I'm bad at this. And this is what he's writing. So
Cheers.
कहाँ खो गए थे? ओह This one?
Yeah, this one.
Acha, you've tied it all the way here. So we are going to Navanagar and this is Dabul. And from here, we're going there. And then another half an hour for our lunch. Really hungry now. That's where we're going. He's enjoying. And whenever there's smooth patch, this baby is rocking and then he's like, ah. So 70% was off-road, right? Yes. So 70% he enjoyed. But power and leaning, I was having more fun. Right?
He's going to need an MRI after this.
So we are about to reach in like 2 minutes. So instructions from Mr. Rajiv. Let's get up. All riders parked here. I said this is why we ride, na?
Yes, absolutely, man.
I think this is a great spot. Like, look at this. And we have some folk music happening as well.
This is basically, we are very close to Dapoli. The one that you see down is Anjarle beach and the village.
That one, right there, Anjali. Okay.
Obviously
Basically, we have the whole coast covered, right? From here, you can actually see one of the turns, and that's why we did all that mountain. Third jetty. Let's ask my man here. How you doing?
I'm alive. I'm still awake.
Yep. We're having fun. How's the Josh, guys? High. Very high, guys. Look at this situation. We are all cramped up on the ferry. This is gonna be. I mean, dude, 2 super bikes. Hey, thoda wo baaju mein lena. Hey, thoda. Oh, dude, this is crazy. Expression was perfect. You see where they are. That's the gate, and they're at the edge. Full house. क्या बात है, boss. Woo! This is where we are staying. Isn't this location crazy? Today was really a fantastic day and now my butt is not numb. Thanks to Figo seats, that helped a lot. And if you see closely, riders are chilling, taking some selfies. Hi, check in. So this is my room and that's the view, that's where the pool is. Chalo. It's called Solitaire 4. Oh boy. Oh, this is perfect. This is the room. A nice chill out place. This is, I should edit, but एक रात की बात है तो edit नहीं हो पाएगा. I'll be honest. And let's see what view do I have here. Okay, this is a passing by view. This can be shut. Ooh, this room is insane. And अब सबसे पहले shower because I have to fly the drone. Sunset बहुत जल्दी हो. Well, that's the quickest shower I could take. The reason is very simple. I'm about to fly the drone, and this is my location. Okay, we are at the beach, chilling, all of us having fun. hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs. I'm going crazy. I took an awesome shower. And yeah, okay, so we're gonna have a photo session right now. You're concerned about the guy with dreadlocks on the helmet? That's him. Your name?
Arvind.
Arvind writes Duke KTM 390. 200 hai wo? And this guy is all covered, so we can't see him.
Today's day was great. We were waiting for this scene only.
Beach is more clean, right?
Yes.
And Ganpati Fully is also clean, but it's a little commercial. There's shacks and all. This is like there's no
You
shacks.
can see the water is also kind of blue type.
Yeah, it's
very
bluish. लेदर हार्नेस ब्रो एंड भाई ये बंदा मतलब किलर है ही इज पुटिंग एन एनडी फिल्टर एंड आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइस कैन सी दिस शॉट बट इट्स सो अमेजिंग डो ब्रो Rad Moto, subscribe, share, like. All these vlogs will start dropping from say another 4 days back to back. Watch. And ये बंदा already मेरे vlog में है, चालू है. Oh, the sun is back, so people are excited. That mechanics are very important for our bikes to ride. उतने ही important है these guys because they are working their ass off to get the best pictures when it comes to photography and videography. I hope you guys enjoyed all the videos so far. Tomorrow one more video will drop for Karad. And oh, by the way, there's a lot of crabs down. After Karad, you'll see me in Mumbai. Vlogs will continue. I am totally enjoying and I hope you guys also did. Subscribe to my channel, share this if you can. As usual friends, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Raj from Rad Moto and from Paradise.